Hello everyone, I'm Neeharika from R19 batch and today we will discuss about a recon tool known as Dmitry. So the contents of this presentation is a small introduction to recon and then its types. Then we'll see different tools used for recon and then why this particular tool known as Dmitry and then a live demonstration. So reconnaissance is basically gathering publicly available information about a target. And the types of recon is passive reconnaissance and then active reconnaissance. Passive reconnaissance is actually known as footprinting. It is nothing but gathering information about the target without directly interacting with it. Then active reconnaissance is gathering information about the target with direct interaction. Some of the common tool used for recon RNS lookup, which is used to find the IP address of a domain, and then Vapalizer used to find the technology stacks, and then whose lookup nmap, the harvester, Nikto are some other examples of recon tools. Dmitry abbreviates for Deep Magic Information Tool. It is actually a passive recon tool and it comes pre-installed with Kali. We can use Dmitry for port scanning, subdomain searches, whos, lookups, etc. The main advantage of this tool is that we can scan multiple things in just a single line and then it is scanned simultaneously and we get the output. It's actually pretty easy to use. Uh, uh, Firstly, choose a target and then obtain its IP address or domain name is fine too. And then run the flag. There are actually different types of flags in Dmitry. So run which is displayed here on the right side. And then run the tool with the appropriate flag. Then let's go to the live demonstration. So to display the description of the tool, just type Dmitry and then we get a small title and then a subtitle. And then okay, so these are the flags. I will explain about them. O is used for saving the output in a text file. And then I is used to perform host lookups on IP address of a host. W is used to perform host lookups on domain name of a host. N is used to retrieve netcraft information. And then S is used to perform subdomain searches. And then E is used to perform possible email address searches. And then P is used to perform a TCP port scan. So let's just use this tool on a test website. Telemetry minus W. So W is actually whose lookup on domain name. So yeah, we can see that whose lookup for domain name is done within a second itself. So host IP address are obtained, and then common information such as updated date, creation date, expiry date, and then name server, etc. are also found. Let us find the subdomain in this domain. So you can see we actually got subdomains, found 11 possible subdomains. So the main thing is that we can combine these both scan in a line to get a single output. It actually runs simultaneously. So see, Initially we got the host lookup and then we got the subdomain information. So now let's see saving this to a text file. And let's try all the flags. Okay. So Dmitry minus WNSE. Yeah, so this is the syntax, tool name, and then flags, and then O to save the results in a text file, and then the domain name. You can see the scan is going. All scans are completed. So let us check that text file. Yeah, so this is the host lookup of the host, and then we can see the subdomains, and then gather email information, etc. So this is how we use this tool. It can be very helpful in the reconnaissance step of. And that's it for today's session. Thank you.